Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again. And I'm here in Mongkok and I just made a big transaction. Got rid of a few phones, but I picked up one as well. And I bring you guys to the channel, as promised, the Pixel 5. There it is. And your first look on Frankie Tech of the Pixel 5 in this gorgeous sorta sage color. Absolutely stunning. Now I'm still setting this phone up, so I just want to kind of walk through a little bit of my first impressions here of this device. But let me just talk about this design first of all. Man, I didn't know what to expect. I knew I liked the color, but I didn't know what this feel was going to be in the hand. It's a metallic finish, but it does have this slight kind of plasticky coating on it, and it feels really good, man. I mean, if the Pixel 4a felt kind of plasticky, this feels very sturdy, really premium. And now let's go ahead and do it. Let's tear off this plastic here on the Pixel 5. Ooh, there we go. And there you see it, your kind of first look here of the Pixel 5 on Frankie Tech. And guys, I'm so glad I picked this phone up. I've been wanting to pick this phone up, but it's obviously been a bit difficult to do just because of the reality is Hong Kong is not one of the launch countries of Google. And as much as I'm a huge Made by Pixel fan, I haven't been able to pick this phone up until it just recently became available. The price was ridiculous, guys. I mean, I even picked this phone up for a little bit of a premium, just under 6,000 Hong Kong dollars. The normal price for this would be around 5,500. But man, it is worth the price of admission. I'm loving this look, the design, the 6.0 OLED display, and this should be at 90 Hertz already. Let's double check. Let's lower the brightness here real quick. If we go to advanced here, let's increase this to 90 minutes. We have adaptive colors on. And there you see it's smooth display set up here on this Pixel 5. But the display is looking really nice. Definitely a step above. This wallpaper is kind of cool too. And I don't know if it's like a 3D wallpaper or if it's active. It actually adjusts a little bit with the movement of it. Now obviously you guys know performance, Snapdragon 765 on this Pixel 5. And let's face it guys, the 765 is no slouch. It's not a bad, performer, to be honest. And I honestly think that for most people it's going to do the job. And you know what? Like even the 730 in the 4A, I think was solid enough as well. Obviously with audio, we don't have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack on this phone, so you're gonna have to pick up the 4A 5G or the 4A if you want that. But obviously in cameras, that is the clear reason why I picked this up, guys. We have the 12.2 megapixel plus the ultra wide camera on this Pixel 5, and that is the reason why, guys, this is gonna be the best companion and comparison next to other phones like the iPhone 12, the 12 Pro Max, and obviously all the other phones that I'm going to pick up shortly. And so obviously that's why this phone is going to be a major competitor in the camera department, and I can't wait to do it. Hi, can I help you? No. Okay. Okay, someone's just watching me filming, which is obviously, it is what it is. But stay tuned. I'm filming for my channel right now, man. No, it's a Google phone. Google phone. Okay. Anyway, can I ask you to step back, please, for me? Okay. So anyways, I'm sorry, guys. For the first time ever on the channel, there was this dude who was like literally standing 2 feet behind me while I was filming. I know it's not common to see someone filming on the streets of Hong Kong, but that was just really weird, and I got really creeped out just now. But anyways, I'm going to wrap this kind of first look up. Obviously, stay tuned for the full kind of first kind of impressions and more in-depth video of this Pixel 5. And definitely going to be comparing this next to the 12 Pro Max. And I do have a Mi 10T Pro on me. But guess what, guys? It's not on me right now. It's filming this video. That's right, guys. The first, I think, video ever on Frankie Tech that was filmed with a Xiaomi device, and I think the Mi 10T Pro has done a solid job. If you don't, mind me saying, I do think it did great. But anyways, hit me up with any questions, any comments. What specific comparisons would you like to see me do with this Pixel 5? I will be happy to do those. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for future updates. Leaving you with one last look here of this gorgeous Sorta Sage back. I'm really liking it. But that's it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching, and this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one. Man, what a creepster, dude. What a creepster.